Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable and disable the requirement to have eyes opened during the face recognition process on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you want to be able to unlock your device even with your eyes closed but with face recognition, then you want to go to the settings, and then if you scroll down and go to security and privacy. Now over here go to biometrics and then choose face recognition. Of course, you need to enter your PIN code, password, or draw the pattern. And over here you have require open eyes. So if you don't want to have your eyes open for the face recognition, for the detection of your face, then you can disable this option. However, keep in mind that this puts you in a slight danger, because if someone gets your device, then they will be able to simply put the device to your face when you are sleeping, and then they will be able to unlock the device. So if you want to avoid that, you surely want to use this option. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.